hey, it says right here, some parrots are so smart they can mimic the sound of the world around them.
Yeah, it's absolutely true. In fact, I think we should meet one of these very talented birds. Everybody say hi to Keto. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, this is Keto. Keto is a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. But first things first, how about you give everybody a nice big greeting? A little greeting.
A little tiny one.
Yeah, Keto here lived in a home for many years, listened to everything going on around her, and along the way she picked up a few animal impressions. My favorite is the big, scary tiger. There you go.
Oh, that's pretty scary. Yeah. You got something less scary than that, though?
Less scary than a tiger.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that would be a kitty cat. But you know, not only did Keto learn those animal sounds, she also learned a song about animals as well. Do y'all want to hear Keto's song?
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, they're ready. Are you ready? Yeah, well, let's sing. You can do it. You ready? Yeah, let's sing.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
There we go! Keto actually learned something from watching all of you come to see her every day as well, so she does something really cute when she gets applause. So what do y'all think of Keto? Okay, thank you so much, but it is time to go. How about you say bye-bye? And that was Keto!
Hey. Oh, that Keto is 1 in a million.
Oh yeah, absolutely.